Polyanthum, and I've only had this for like less than a year. But look, I think it's blooming in my kitchen window because the new growth didn't look like this at all. So that's so exciting. I'm so excited. So yeah, I have so many too. Geez, it's like all over the place. I'm trying to keep them from like touching the window because I don't want them to freeze. But look, all of this. I think it's gonna bloom. And I thought it's like early January, so I think that it's a little bit early, but it doesn't look like new growth. It looks like buds. So, see? That is so exciting. Yay! That's so exciting. I'm so happy. All right, I'm gonna show you when it does bloom, and we'll see. So I was right. They were buds. It's about 2 months later, and they have bloomed. They have started to open. This is, again, it's my Jasmine Polyanthum. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. This is also called pink jasmine because the buds are supposed to be kind of pink, and it's showing up a little bit pink on camera, but in real life it doesn't really look that pink to me. It's kind of like a warm off-white. It's still really pretty. It's really nice to kind of have this above the sink because like whenever I come to do dishes, I kind of get this nice scent. It's not as pleasant too close. Like if you get too close to the flowers to smell them, it's not really that pleasant in my personal opinion, but like from far away it's really nice. And if you can see outside, there's a lot of snow, so it's kind of nice to have like these fresh flowers blooming really well, and like that floral scent when you come up to the sink and you see all this snow, but there's so many beautiful flowers and so much green and this lovely floral scent. So it's a really nice kind of reprise. I don't know if I use the right word, not reprise, like reprieve, like break from the winter, because I think we have a couple more weeks. Again, I feel like I say this in every video, but it's really cold where I live, and that's like part of the fun of having all of these beautiful green tropical and desert plants in the home, because it's just so nice. And I love winter, but I also like some green things too, so it's kind of nice that I have kind of the best of both worlds. But yeah, so it bloomed. It's beautiful. I got this plant from Green Goddess Gardens on Etsy. I definitely recommend them. I also got my tropical hibiscus there that I have. And they all bloomed for me, and they all bloomed like true to the picture that was shown on their Etsy shop. So I'm really grateful for that, because I've gotten plants that didn't bloom true to what was promised, but theirs did. So I'm really happy. You know, if you're looking for a tropical houseplant, Green Goddess Gardens is where it's at.